Welcome back to Spanish from Scratch. I'm Eduardo. If you have been watching my videos, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, thank you for watching. I will try my best to make your Spanish learning way easier. In the previous video, we saw the simple future conjugation, the regular conjugation, and some examples. In this video, I will show you the irregular conjugation. It's not that hard, so this video won't be that long. So let's go into the conjugation. Okay guys, here we are. Now, for this tense, for the simple future, we will have only 3 irregular cases, okay? 2 of them are very easy to spot, and the third one will be the most irregular. So this will be the first case. Now, what we need to look at in here, guys, is that these verbs have special endings. For example, the verb poner. Poner means to put, but it ends in N, E, and R. Let me get another color to make it more obvious. It ends in N-E-R. Now, saying as tener, to have, in E-R. And we also the verbs ending in N-I-R, like venir. So we have poner, tener, venir. To put, to have, and to come. So this will be the first group we need to look out for. The verbs ending in ner and ending in nir. Then we'll have the verb salir. So the verbs ending with L-I-R and the verb valer. Now valer means to be worth, okay? Let's put it in here. It means to be worth, to have a value. So the verbs ending in ler, lir, ner, nir will belong to the same group of irregularity. Now, let's conjugate these verbs as we did in the previous video, okay? We said that we keep the complete verb and we add the E at the end, right? So let's imagine they are regular. We would say poner, poneré, tener, teneré, venir, veniré, salir, saliré, valer, valeré, right? The only thing we are going to change, guys, now imagine that we omit this letter, the one at the end, and we are going to substitute it for a D, okay, for the letter D. So we will have yo pondré. One more time, yo pondré. Then we have yo tendré. One more time, yo tendré, I will have. Yo vendré. Yo vendré, I will come. Yo saldré. Yo saldré, I will go out. Or yo valdré. This is very awkward to say because valer is to be worth. So it's like I will be worth, but it's just for the example purpose, okay? So we say valdré. Now, and this we're going to do it with all the other conjugations. So let's go with poner first. So we say yo pondré, tú pondrás, ella pondrá, nosotros pondremos, ellos pondrán, ustedes pondrán. So it will be exactly the same. We are just changing the last vowel to a D. With tener we'll have tú tendrás, ella tendrá, nosotros tendremos, ellos tendrán, ustedes tendrán. Let's go with venir, to come. Tú vendrás, ella vendrá, nosotros vendremos, ellos vendrán, ustedes vendrán. Let's go with salir. Tú saldrás, ella saldrá, nosotros saldremos, ellos saldrán, ustedes saldrán. And let's go with valer. We say tú valdrás, ella valdrá, nosotros valdremos, ellos valdrán, ustedes valdrán. Okay, so this is how it works. We just changed that final vowel for a D. Let's go with the second case of irregularities. Now let's take a look at these verbs and we can see that we will have the verbs ending in the syllable BER, like caber and haber. We have poder ending in DER, querer, verbs ending in RER, and another verb, saber. So caber is to fit somewhere. Haber is the verb we use for there is or there are, like hay dos gatos or hay un teléfono. Poder, to be able to. Querer, to want, and saber, to know. Now, let's do the same thing. Imagine we conjugate them regularly. We say yo caberé, yo haberé, yo podré, yo quereré, yo saberé. The thing with these verbs, guys, is that when we pronounce them quickly, the last vowel is lost because of the phonetics of the conjugation. For example, let's use the verb poder. If we conjugate this regularly, it will be poderé. But listen when we pronounce it fast. Poderé, 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 poderé. So the last E, the E in the middle is lost in the pronunciation, so we just omit it. So we would say in each one of these cases, yo cabré, yo habré, yo podré, yo querré, yo sabré. So in the last one, we would change the E for the D. In this case, we just eliminate the E. And let's do the rest of the conjugation. Tú cabrás, ella cabrá, nosotros cabremos, ellos cabrán, ustedes cabrán. Or with habré, habrás, habrá, habremos, habrán, habrán. Let's go with poder. Tú podrás, ella podrá, nosotros podremos, ellos podrán, ustedes podrán. With querer, tú querrás, ella querrá, nosotros querremos, ellos querrán, ustedes querrán. And with saber, tú sabrás, ella sabrá, nosotros sabremos, ellos sabrán y ustedes sabrán. Very good. So far, so good, right? Now, the last group of verbs, these are totally irregular, so we need to memorize them. Luckily for you, it's only 2 of them. Hacer, which is to do, and decir, which is to say or to tell. So for hacer, we say yo haré, I will do. Yo haré. Tú harás, you will do. Tú harás. Ella hará, she will do. Ella hará. Nosotros haremos, we will do. Nosotros haremos. Ellos harán, they will do. Ellos harán. Ustedes harán. You guys will do. Ustedes harán. And we have the verb decir. We'll say yo diré. I will say. Yo diré. Tú dirás. You will say. Tú dirás. Ella dirá. She will say. Ella dirá. Nosotros diremos. Will say. Nosotros diremos. Ellos dirán. They'll say. Ellos dirán. Y ustedes dirán. You guys will say. Ustedes dirán. And this will be the last conjugation. With this, we'll have all the conjugations in the simple future in Spanish. So let's remember. In the first case of irregularity, we change the last E of the verb for a D. In the second case, we'll eliminate the last vowel of the verb. And in this last case, we'll need to memorize 2 verbs. And that will be it for the conjugation, guys. So guys, how was it? Not that difficult, huh? We just need to memorize 3 cases of irregularity and we'll be all ready to go to use the simple future in Spanish. I really hope you found this video useful and that now you can start speaking Spanish more confidently. If you think this video helped you, please consider to subscribe to my channel. You helped me to continue doing these videos and get to more people to help them speak my language. Also remember, I'm a full-time Spanish teacher, so if you want to contact me or have private lessons with me, I will put my teacher's profile in the comment of this video. So, I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.